It's been good. God has been really kind. I'm working really hard with Kingy. So he's shaping up really well. I've been doing a lot of net practice as well as gym, running, core. So it's just going to be perfectly fine now. No, I think game always stays the same. Your body change, your mindset, your setup change. You think it's some sort of a time you need to. Game will always remain the same. You need to see how you enjoy yourself. And what I have done in the last 13 years with CSK, I've been enjoying my game with my captain, with my players, with my coaches, with my local players. That's the key of my success, and just wanted to continue with that for the next couple of more seasons. I think it's a family. When we go after IPL, we always be in touch. Player from South Africa, West Indies or Australia, and as well as in India, we get along really well after the IPL. So I think it's a family. It's not an IPL for them. It's a family for us. So when we play together, we eat together, we enjoy each other's success. I think that's the beauty of IPL. That's the beauty of Chennai Super Kings. We have the best owner, we have the best facilities, and we have the best fan around the world. So I think when you have so much around you, you tend to give your best shot. That's what we have been doing in last couple of years now. I spoke to Kashi sir. Kashi sir said, how you been doing? And I said, then I spoke to Flem, and I've been talking to MS also. So he said, let's have a camp together. I think camp has been amazing. Ambati, myself, and then Monk been practicing really well. And Delhi, you know how it's been very cold and no cricket happening there. So it's always come to your roots and get your work done, and then you can really enjoy when the season comes. Still we have one more month to go, and then we have matches to come. I think then whole team will be here in a couple of weeks, so I think it will be interesting to have one more session with them. Pretty much, and I'm looking forward to play this season in Chennai as well as among with my all friends and family members. So looking forward to have it, and can't wait to see all those kids come and enjoy with us. And just wanted to wish all the fans should come to watch us. And this time we also have this tent, right? So probably we'll have more fans coming towards the end and see if the practice game comes, and then you will see a lot of crowds coming. No, I've been to a few places. I've been went to did a few fine dining, been eating well outside. Not into we're planning to go to Fisherman's Cove.